In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix debit and credit values showing incorrectly in Xero reports. If your profit and loss shows numbers with the wrong sign, like expenses appearing as negative or income as positive when you expect the opposite, this quick layout adjustment will clean things up without changing any of your underlying transactions. Start by logging in to Xero. From the main dashboard, head to Reporting. This is where all your financial statements live. For this fix, open the Profit and Loss report. It's a great place to see the impact of your layout settings because it includes both income and expense sections, which are most affected by how debits and credits display. Once the report loads, look for the Edit Layout option. This switches the report into a design mode so you can control how information is grouped and presented. You're not changing data here, only how it's shown on the page. Next, select the report group or section you want to adjust. For example, you might click into Income, Cost of Sales, or Operating Expenses. When you select a section, a Details panel appears on the right side. This panel holds the settings that control how that part of the report looks and behaves. In the Details panel, find the Display Balance setting. This is the key. Xero lets you choose between debit positive and credit positive. Different organizations prefer different conventions. If you want expenses to show as positive values and income to show as negative, choose Debit Positive. If you prefer income as positive and expenses as negative, choose Credit Positive. The choice doesn't change your accounting. It simply flips the sign shown on the report for that group. After you make your selection, click Update Layout. This saves the change for the report's layout. If you want consistent presentation across multiple sections, repeat the same selection for each group where the signs look off. When you're done, exit Edit Layout to return to the live report view. Now review the profit and loss. Income, expenses, and other sections should display with the signs you expect, making the report easier to read and compare period to period. A quick reminder: this is a presentation setting only. Your journals, balances, and tax calculations remain unchanged. You're simply aligning the visual output with your reporting preference. That's it. You've controlled how debit and credit balances display in Xero, resulting in cleaner, more accurate-looking reports at a glance.